Okay, and now I will help myself with the mitochondrial DNA, empty DNA, all mitochondrial genes detailed by biotech review. Please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you can. Let's start. Of course, as always, I will stop from time to time to explain the hardest parts and to stress what is the most important. Okay.
Mitochondria, found in all cells with nuclei, release energy from food, and stored in ATP molecules. Mitochondria carry its own DNA. Mitochondria were once free-living bacteria that were engulfed by ancestor of eukaryotes, but not digested. Bacteria and larger cells.
Yeah, so this is important concept that probably billions years ago, when our cells were formed, yes, our type of cells, so the eukaryotic cells were formed, some smaller bacteria were absorbed to create mitochondria. This is, of course, the theory. There is no way to prove it, what happened a couple billion years ago. However, still, this theory is quite strong because it has some proofs. Yes, listen for a bit longer.
Established a symbiotic relationship, in which the larger cell provided protection, while bacteria produced food. The mitochondrial chromosome preserves many features like bacteria. First, they are circular molecule. Human mitochondrial chromosome is only 16,005.
So, the first characteristic thing for the mitochondria are the DNA of the mitochondria is that their DNA is circular and relatively short.
549 base pairs long, which is not much larger than any bacterial plasmid. Second, the mitochondrial chromosome is tightly packed with genes. Unlike nuclear chromosomes, which have large intergenic regions of non-coding DNA.
So there are no introns and exons, yes? Everything is important here.
Between genes. Third, most mitochondrial genes lack introns, which are non-coding information within nuclear genes. Human mitochondrial DNA contains 37 genes. 13 genes are involved in process of oxidative phosphorylation. 22 genes encodes transfer RNAs for specific amino acid.
So oxidative phosphorylation, as you already know, is a way how the mitochondria are creating ATP. So using oxygen, oxidative, they phosphorylate ADP to create ATP. As you know, ATP is a mode of the energy.
Whereas 2 genes encodes 2 subunit rRNAs of ribosomes. Control region. The control region contains.
Okay, I suppose it's enough for now about the mitochondrial DNA. The other thing that you need also to know is that not all of the proteins that mitochondria needs are encoded by the mitochondria. Most of the things that the mitochondria needs is encoded in the cell nucleus. So the cell nucleus holds most of the information that the mitochondria needs in order to survive. However, some of those information is in the mitochondria. Okay. Wait a moment. What else is important? Generally, let's get back for a moment into the fertilization, how the human being is created. You will get in the moment why it's important. Look how big is the egg cell, yes? To be honest, the scale is not good. The scale should be more a bit like that, yes? So this is the egg cell, and those are the mitochondria, yes? And the sperm cell has couple of the mitochondria. Egg cell has thousands of them, yes? So, and generally when the sperm cell is getting into the egg cell, it leaves most of the mitochondria behind. Maybe not all, but most of them. So, nearly all of the mitochondria in the child we are getting from the mother. This is very important because it means that the mitochondrial DNA is passed nearly only from the mother. Yes. So if there are some diseases in those mitochondria, they will be passed from mother to children. Yes. So never mind whether it would lead to the boy or the girl. Only the mother can pass the disease, mitochondrial disease, to its children, because only the mother passes their mitochondria to their children. Yes, this is very important. So first, just to summarize it, yes, this it's the so mitochondrial DNA is circular. It's tightly packed. Not all of the genes are in the mitochondria. Some are in the cell nucleus. It can be passed only from mother to children. Yes. Okay, and and the rest was already spoken. These are the most important concepts, generally speaking. Okay. Oh, the other, sorry, I forgot about this. And generally, there are not much of the junk in the mitochondrial DNA. It's tightly packed. Okay, thank you very much.